Okay.
Yeah, ready.
Okay,
Let's
good.
go.
I'm gonna perform an inside cabin inspection with the air brake test and an automatic truck. Okay, so first I'm gonna put my seatbelt tight, secured, no cracks, not broken, not damaged, and secure, no cuts, working properly. Now I'm gonna do a safe start. My safe start, put my key on. My truck is in neutral. Both of my valves are up. Make sure they're up. Okay, good. Now I turn on my vehicle. Do my emergency equipment. 3 reflector triangles are present and clean. I have a fire extinguisher, is full and up to date, secure with clamps. And I have here, I should have a spare box of extra fuses. Now I'm gonna check my mirrors. My mirrors are tight, secure, no cracks, adjusted to me, nothing blocking my view. My windshield is tight, secure, not cracked, not broken, not damaged, clean, nothing blocking my view. My wipers working properly, not cracked, broken, or damaged. Rubber not broken, not damaged. And now I'm gonna check my wiper washer. It's working properly and the tank has to be full. Now I'm gonna check my heater and defroster. I would put it here, right? Heater and defroster, put it in 4. Then I would check the defroster up here. Heater working, and I turn it off. Now I'm gonna check my city horn. Not working. I'm gonna build the pressure. Okay, I'm gonna check my lights. My left signal working. Right signal working. 4-way flashers working. Headlight working. High beam working. City horn not working. Highway horn working. Now I'm going to check my gauges. My oil pressure gauge is working around 45 psi. My water temperature is working around, it has to be up to 170 Fahrenheit. My voltmeter, more than 12 volts, it's good. My fuel gauge has to be between half and full. This one is a little bit low. Has to be half to full. My primary air pressure gauge has to be in 120 psi. My secondary air pressure gauge in 120 psi is where it has to be. I'm gonna build the pressure for my air brake test. Pressure is building. Okay, I reached maximum pressure, 120 psi, and I heard my governor cut off. I'm gonna do my air brake test. First, I put my key off, put my ignition on, and then I release parking brakes. Test number 1, I check for leaks. I cannot lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute. Thank you. When I press my brake pedal. So first, what you do is you stabilize the pressure and you watch it. But this truck has a leak. Este camión tiene liqueo. So entonces cuando tú estás apretando el freno, tú vas a decirle a él entonces my pressure is stable. I start my timer 1 minute. I cannot lose more 4 psi in 1 minute. Después del minuto pasa, tú paras y miras aquí aguantando el freno y le dice I did not lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute, no leaks. Test number 2, I check warning alarm. Ahí está, por el liqueo que tiene. I drop pressure to 55 psi. My warning alarm comes on. I start now. Okay, ahí está. I see my warning alarm and I hear it is working. Test number 3, emergency valve activation. I'll drop pressure between 40 and 20 psi and my brake valve have to pop out. I start now. Entonces vas a estar mirando aquí. Para que cuando tumba, o sea, que disparen, estés pendiente que las dos hayan disparado. So una se disparó, ahí está la otra. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, my emergency brake, it's working. Okay, I finished my brake test. That's it.